Place your luggage in the overhead compartment. Fasten your seat belts for your own safety. Ladies and gentlemen, the safety instruction card is in the pocket of the seat in front of you. Please review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you. The fasten seatbelt sign is now off. However, we would recommend that you do keep your seatbelt fastened during the entire journey. Your cooperation will be appreciated. Passengers are reminded that this is a non-smoking commute. Greetings everyone.